your pipe. I got the same.
Yeah, it's basically the same body style. This one has ABS, and then it has the Brambos in the front.
Okay.
From the factory.
All right, yeah, because I got mine right out of the box. No, wait, same look, the black and orange.
Yeah,
you know,
the sparkly orange.
Yes,
yeah,
yes, yep.
Yeah.
I would ride today, but unfortunately, I got to do something for somebody. You know, when your friend calls and they ask you to do something, you got to go, man. Enjoy your ride,
I just hope they come, man.
I heard it. I said that's got to sound like a booster, man. Have a good day.
You too. See you.